What are isotopes? Isotopes are variants of an element that have the same number of protons in their atomic nuclei but differ in the number of neutrons. In other words, isotopes are different forms of the same element with varying atomic mass numbers. For example, let's consider the element carbon. Carbon typically has 6 protons, but it can have different numbers of neutrons. Carbon-12, the most abundant and stable isotope of carbon, has 6 neutrons, giving it a total atomic mass of 12. However, carbon-13 and carbon-14 are isotopes of carbon with 7 and 8 neutrons, respectively, resulting in atomic masses of 13 and 14. Isotopes can be either stable or unstable. Stable isotopes do not undergo spontaneous radioactive decay, meaning they remain unchanged over time. Unstable isotopes, also known as radioactive isotopes or radioisotopes, undergo radioactive decay, emitting particles and energy until they transform into a different element. @_circle. Isotopes have various applications across different scientific fields. They play a crucial role in radiometric dating, allowing scientists to determine the ages of rocks, fossils, and archaeological artifacts. Isotopes are also extensively used in medical imaging, industrial processes, nuclear power generation, and scientific research. By studying isotopes, scientists can gain valuable insights into the behavior of elements, the history of Earth and the universe, and a wide range of other phenomena. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, every like, share, and subscription counts. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.